Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. It's super easy. So let's get started. Now the first thing that we need to make sure is you have an installed Business Suite app on your phone. But don't worry if you don't have one. You can upload it via App Store or Google Play Store because it is available to both Android and iOS devices. Now once you have the app, open it. Okay, now here if you already log in on your Facebook page in the Meta Business Suite, what you need to do is click the three horizontal line located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now you see these options and you notice the log out button at the very bottom of your screen. Tap on that, confirm to log out, and that's it. That's how you remove your Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!